Good morning, children. Today we are going to do problems, applications of combinations. Okay, in the last class we learned how to find the combinations. Okay, how to find out the combination. Now, okay, combination means it is selection. So this period we are going to do problems based on that. Okay, Jewel, I think last period you are not there, and not last period, day before yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, I was having fever. I was not well.
Now you're okay, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, my dear children, please turn on your video, all of you. Okay, now let's just revise what you have learned in the last class. Okay, so what is the formula we have learned? What is NCR? NCR, how is it defined? NCR is defined as? Jewel, note it down. Okay, for you only I'm repeating it. Others, tell me. John Philip, how is NCR defined?
N factorial by R factorial by into N minus R factorial.
Okay, this is how we define. Okay, NCR is defined as N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Then, Malavika, how will you calculate? How will you calculate 5C3?
5 into 6 and 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3.
Is it okay, Jewel? Okay, this is the calculation we need while doing the problems. Okay, those who are absent, not only Jewel, I think 2 or 3 of them were absent in the last class. Jyoti Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are absent, isn't it?
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
last class. Okay, so listen. Naveen and all, I think they are present. Okay. So listen, how we have to do F5C3. Out of 5 objects, we are going to select 3 objects. So that one we can do it as 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So simplification, we can do it afterwards. Suppose it is 65C2. How will you do 65C2? Pooja. How will you calculate 65C2?
65 into 64 by
1 into 2. Out of 65 objects, we are going to select 2 objects. So it can be done using 65 into 64 by 1 into 2. Okay. So this is what we learned in the last class. Now we are going to solve the problems based on this. Okay. Write the question. Write the question, children. From a class of 36 students, 3 students are to be selected. 3 students are to be selected for a competition. From a class of 36 students, 3 students are to be selected for a competition. How many such selections can be made? How many such selections can be made? From a class of 36 students, 3 students are to be selected for a competition. How many such selections can be made? What is the answer? What is your answer? From 36 students, we are going to select 3. So it will be the answer. Yes. The answer is out of 36, we are going to select. Okay, total number of students is 36. We are going to select 3. So what will be the answer, Mehrin? How many ways you can select? Number of selection is? Mehrin?
7140.
You are giving the final answer. Okay, you first.
3C3.
36C3. Yeah, yes, that is. Yeah, Niranjan, give the step, Niranjan. 36 into?
35 into 34
Ah,
by 1 into 2 into 3.
okay. So 1 into 2 into 3 means if you cancel this, you'll get 6. So 6 into 35 into 34. Simplify this and find the answer. Is it okay? Those who are absent on that, I think Roseanne, are you able to follow this, Roseanne?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, that day I gave one assignment. Hope you are doing that assignment side by side. Wednesday is the last date for submission. Wednesday is the last date for submission of that assignment. If you have completed, you can submit it. If you are ready with
the same ending?
assignment topic, very good. At least now you are. Now, give the final answer. Alantina, what is 6 into 35 into 34?
7140.
7140. Now write the next one. Write the next question. In how many ways can 11 players can be selected from 15 cricket players? In how many ways 11 players can be selected from 15 cricket players if first one, there is no restriction. First one, there is no restriction. Second one of the player must be included. One of the player must be included. One of the player must be included. Next one of them must be excluded always. I think here also you can write the word always. One of them must be included always. Here, next one of them is excluded always. One of them is excluded always. Okay, these topics and all are easy topics, children. Okay, you can understand it easily and you can do. Then fourth one, 2 of them are leg spinners. 2 of them are leg spinners. 2 of them are leg spinners. 2 of them are leg spinners and only one leg spinner must be included. And only one leg spinner must be included. And only one leg spinner must be included. Two of them are leg spinners and only one leg spinner must be included. Yes. Okay. John Philip is present. John Philip,
Yes, ma'am.
that day I gave one question. I asked you to find the answer, isn't it? Where is John? John
I'm
Philip.
here.
Yes, yeah,
watch me.
yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, John. Tell me, how many players are there in a cricket team? If you take a cricket team, how many players we need? Huh? Did you find it? Did you find it, that one? No. Yes. Aditya Dev, tell me, Aditya Dev.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if you want to set one cricket team, school cricket team, how many players are needed?
11 players.
11 players. From this question you are answering. Is it correct? Huh? Yes. Okay. Tom Sebastian, what is the answer, Tom Sebastian? Yes. Tom, I think we are not able to hear what you say there. Can you say it louder? Now I can hear, but your sound is very feeble. Yes. Renil, how many players are to be selected if you want to set one cricket team? How many players we need? How many substitutes are allowed? Find out and come, children. Okay, note down. Aditya Dev. Okay, Jack. What about Vinayak? What about for a football team? How many players are needed and how many substitutes we can take?
11.
11, including the substitutes.
5 subs. 3 subs.
3 substitutes. Okay, others also find it on top. Okay, how many substitutes are needed? How many members are there? Okay, you take. Okay, you consider, find out for all these things: cricket, football, hockey team. Okay, at least for these 3 you find it and come. Now look at this question. Here it is what is given. There are 15 members. From the 15 members, we are going to select 11 players. Okay, for a cricket team. So what will be the answer? In how many ways 11 in how many ways can 11 members can be selected from 15 cricket players if first case there is no restriction? If there is no restriction, what is the answer? What is the answer out of 15?
6, 5.
Yes? Yes, children. Total there are 15, isn't it? Total 15 players are there. We want to select 11. Number of players needed is 11. Number of players to be selected is 11. So what will be the answer?
15C11.
15C11, isn't it? So 15C11. Look at the R value. If whenever R value is more than half, 15C11 will be same as? Dia, 15C11. Calculating 15C11 is same as? Dia. 15C11 will be same as? It's same as? Dia? Atulya. Yes, Dia, give the answer. 15?
15C3 by
Is it 15C3? 15C11 will be same as?
15P11 by 11 factorial.
No, it's wrong. How to do this? Atulya?
Basically 15C 15 minus 11.
Yes, 15C11. Whenever R value is more than half of n, what we can do? 15C11 will be same as 15C4. 15C11 will be same as 15C4. NCR will be same as NC N minus R. We can use this property. Now what is 15C4? Now calculate 15C4. Anaga, what is 15C4?
Ma'am, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Very good. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now simplify. 4 into 3 we can cancel with this. If you cancel, this is 7. So what is the final answer?
1365.
1365. Okay. One, 365. Now look at the next one. One of the player must be included. One player must be always included. So one person is included always. So how many players we have to select? One player must be always included. So how many players we have to select?
10 please.
10 players only we have to select from
Okay.
14, because one is always included. So one player is already selected. So we have to select 10 players from the remaining 14. So 10, okay, 14C10. 14C10 will be same as Jewel. 14C10 will be same as
14 factorial by
no. Instead of that, what we can do? Yeah, earlier also we learned one formula. When the R value is more than that, this is the way you can do the calculation easily. So 14C10 will be same as
n minus r.
NC N minus R. So 14C10 will be same as 14C. You subtract it from 14.
4.
Subtract
10 minus
4. So 14C10 will be same as 14C4. Now give the value. What is 14C4?
100.
14 into 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 14 onwards. So 12, 7. Answer is 1001. This 1001. Now look at the next part. One of them is excluded always. So one player we are not going to include at all. That means what will be the answer, Anashwara? One player is to be excluded always. We will not be going to select that person. So what will be the answer, Anashwara? Huh?
14,
Correct. Proceed.
14C.
14C. We want to select all the players, isn't it? We exclude
11.
one. Yes. Answer is 14C11. Okay, we want to select 11 players, but one player we are not going to include. So you leave that one. Okay, if you leave him, we'll be having 14 players. From the 14, we have to select 11. Now, Malaviga, 14C11 will be same as
14 into 14C
3.
by 14C.
So that is 14 into
14 into 13 into 12 by 1 into 2 into 3.
by 1 into 2 into 3. Now simplify this, we'll get the answer.
364.
364. Okay. Okay, children. Now look at the last question, children. Look at the last one. That is a different question. Okay, till now there is no, okay, till now we had 15 members. From the 15 numbers we are selecting and all. Now look at the fourth subdivision given there. Look at the fourth subdivision. What is given in the fourth subdivision? 2 of them are leg spinners and only one leg spinner must be included. Okay, total we need to select 11 players, out of which one leg spinner must be included and there are 2 leg spinners. How we can select it? Tell me. In this case, what will be the answer? Total 15 players are there. Look at here, 15 players. Among these 15 players, 2 leg spinners are there and the remaining are normal players. Now, from this 2, we can select only 1. So what will be the answer? What is the number of selection?
14.
Yeah. Yes, yes, Atulya.
15C14.
15C14. Why 14? We want to select only the 11 players. We have to select 11 players.
So 15C.
15C
10.
10. Is it 15C10? If you take 15, these 2 spinning.
13 feet.
These 2 will be coming there, isn't it? Yes, someone is giving the answer. Yes, 13.
13 feet and
From this 13, we have to select 10. And from this 2, we have to select 1 because only one of the leg spinner is allowed. So 2C1 and listen, whenever we use the operation and, you have to multiply. Okay, 2C1 into 13C10. Okay, total we want 11 players. One among them, one is a leg spinner. Okay, 2 leg spinners are there. From the 2 leg spinners, we can select 1 leg spinner using the way 2C1. Likewise, from the 13 leg spinners, we can select 10 in 13C10 ways. So now what is the answer? 2C1 into 13C10. 2C1 will be same as 2 into, what is 13C10? Shabarinath.
13C3.
13C3. So which will be 2 into 13C3 means 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 into 2 into 3. Now simplify this, we'll get the answer.
and 572.
Yes, 572. 572. Okay. Now write the next one. Try the next one. Before we do the next one, tell me how many cards will be there in a deck of cards? Okay, we have learned probability. Yes, it is 52. A deck of cards means 52. Among these 52 cards, how many will be black? How many will be red? How many are red? 26. 26 black cards, 26 red cards. Then How many diamonds will be there? Cards with diamonds.
13.
13, isn't it? If you take total number of cards, if the total number of cards is 52, in which among these 52 cards, 26 will be black and 26 will be red in color. Again, if you further divide this 26, this 13 will be in diamonds. Okay. 13 diamonds will be there and 13 heart. Likewise here, if you further divide this black, 13 spade are there and 13 club will be there. Now, if you take further divide this each 13, if you divide this for each 13, that one again we can classify it into number cards. So which are the number cards? Number cards means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number card starts from 2. Then ace. Ace means the card with A. Then face cards. Face cards, which is king, queen, jack. Actually, this topic is this chapter, this permutation and combination is related with probability. We'll be using this in probability. King, queen, and jack. King, queen, and jack. Number cards are there, A's are there, and face cards are there. Okay. Now let's write the question. Write the question. What is the number of ways? What is the number of ways? What is the number of ways of choosing? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? From a pack of 52 playing cards. Okay, completed up to that. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? In how many of these? In how many of these? It's continuation. In how many of these? First one. Cards are of same suit. Cards are of same suit. Cards are of same suit. Second one. Cards are of same color. Cards are of same color. Cards are of same color. Third one. 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. Fourth one. Cards belong to the different suits. Cards belong to the different suits. Cards belong to different suits. 4 cards we select and they belong to different suits. Fifth one, face cards. Fifth one, they are of face cards. Of face cards. So look, read the question. Once again, read the question, Alantina. Read the question, Alantina.
What is the number of ways choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 cards? And how many of these cards are of same suit? Cards are of same color. 2 are red and 2 are black. Cards belong to the different suit and face cards.
Okay, so listen how to solve this. Okay, so it is given from the 52 cards, we are going to select 4 cards. So in the first case, okay, first case, what is asked? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? So total cards is 52. And we need to select, okay, number of cards to be selected is 4. Number of cards to be selected is 4. So what is the total number of cards or total selection? What will be the total selection? John Joes, what is the total selection?
Ma'am, 15 C4.
52 C4. Okay, it is 52 C4 because in the first case, in the first question, there is no restriction. It is given we want to select 4 cards. So it is 52 C4. Simplify this. 52 C4 means 52 onwards, you have to write 4 numbers. By 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Simplify this. Simplify this and find the answer. Now try, okay. What about the next one? Okay, if you can find the answer afterwards, children, you find the, simplify this and find the answer. Just let's discuss this and you solve this and give the answer. Cards are of same suit. That means how will you do this? Cards are of same suit. That means we are selecting 4 cards. Cards are of the same suit means? What does it mean, Niranjan? Cards are of same suit. That means? Yes. How many suits are there? If you take a deck of cards, how many suits are there? Suits means when you differentiate it based on the type, if you differentiate it. How many are there when you classify it? 4. Okay. Hearts, diamond, club, and spade. So cards are of different suits. Here it is given cards are of the same suit. That means if you select the 4 cards, that 4 cards must be either heart or that 4 cards must be spade or that 4 cards must be club or the 4 should be diamonds. Okay. So how will you write? What will be the answer?
13 C4.
Yes, 13 C4. Listen, suppose when it is like this, if it is of same suit means that 4 cards may be heart. So 13 C4 or it may be club. Okay, suppose I'm writing this for heart. There are 13 clubs. Okay, then 13 C4 for spade and 13 C4 diamonds. So, okay, why look at here, or whenever we say or, this will happen or that. Or means we put plus. And we want this and that. And means we should put multiplication. Or means addition. In permutation, in probability and all, this or that means we add plus, we add. So this is same as 4 times 13 C4. This part you can simplify. Okay. So don't do the calculation. I'll give time for copying. Just let's discuss this. Look at the next one. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color means, Navrin? Cards are of the same color. That means, Navrin? Yes, correct. 26. 26. C4. We want to select 4 cards. Is or no? Based on the color. Based on the color, there are 2 types. Either black card or red card. 26 blacks are there and 26 reds are there. So if you select the 4 cards, whether the 4 cards will be from red suit, red color, or that 4 cards will be from black. So what will be the answer? It will be 26 C4. Okay, it is 26 C4 or 26 C4. First one is for black. Suppose all the 4 cards may be black or all the 4 cards may be red. That is same as 2 times 26 C4. Okay. Now look at the next one. 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. What will be the answer? Akshay, can you give the answer, Akshay Varghese? 2 are black and 2 are red.
26 C2
Yes.
plus 26 C.
Look at the question there. 2 are red and 2 are black. So, one small correctional is there.
26 C2 and 26 C2.
And means which operation we should write there? Which operator?
Addition.
Is it addition? Pranav?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay, Akshay noted. Or means addition and means multiplication. So we want 2 cards from red and 2 cards from black. So there are 26 red cards, 26 C2 into 26 C2. 26 C2 into 26 C2. Now look at the next one, 4th one. Cards belongs to different suit. What does it mean? Cards belongs to different suit means we are selecting 4 cards. Each one must be of the different type. That means one must be diamond, one must be spade, one in club, one should be in heart. That means what will be the answer? Yes, John Philip.
4 into 13 C1.
4 into 13 C1 is correct. Is it 4 into? If it is, okay, what is the difference? Will it be 4 into? 4 is also correct, but it is that into some mistake is there. We will be correcting that part. One of you correct it. Yes, what is the correction?
4 times.
4 times means, will it be 4 into? You will get there.
Raised to 4.
Raised to 4. Why we are getting raised to 4 here? Why we write?
Multiply.
We have to multiply because we need all the 4 cards, isn't it? We want the first card and the second and the third and the fourth. Okay. So the first card will be 13C1. It is 13C1 into 13C1 into, because if you take all these cards only, we will get total number of cards as 4. So it will be 13C1 raised to 4. Is it okay? Now look at the next one, face cards. We select 4 cards and it should be a face card. How many face cards are there? If you take a deck of cards, how many face cards will be there? How many face cards are there? Yes? Yes, Aditya? 12. Isn't it? Face cards means king, queen, jack. So total number of face cards is 12. So from the 12 face cards, we can select 4. So the answer will be 12C4. 12C4. Okay. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Calculation part you can do. Is it clear? Okay. Now once again, I'll show it from the beginning. Just go through it and tell me which part you want. Okay. From the beginning. So check it. Is it okay? 1 second. First one, is it okay? Now copy it and do the calculation also. Do this. By the time I'll mark your attendance. Okay, children. So hope you completed this one. Okay, with this, we wind up this session. Meet you in the next period. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.